How many videos do we do? Let's be here for 10 minutes. Go on, what you saying, Handle?
His brother was saying that he's talking to the Chinese brother that does business, and he's like, you know, you black people, you're very good at business, but the problem is you don't have unity. Very easy to split you up. Oh man, nigga said you can't even organize crime.
That says you can't even organise crime.
That means he's doing it. That means that Japanese guy's doing it.
100%.
For him to say that. Or he knows guys and he's people that are doing it.
Think about it, they're all doing it, bro, except us.
And then they're making a thing called Temu.
This has got a fucking sick effect, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a naughty effect. I'm not even going to go hard on it. I'm just going to splash it. Splash it.
Henry, is Daniel there?
No, I don't think that voice will come out of you. Oh, it's all two-sided, one-sided. I don't know where else I should go, really. Right, pal. How you doing? You all right? I think I've done it up already, isn't it?
What about on the seat pole? Like a spiral, like boom, 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 boom.
How? You want to do it? Because you might do it better than me. You sound like you've got an idea. What, to do it that way, that way, that way, that way, yeah? What?
Yep, just as you was gonna do it. Bang.
Hold on.
You know what about you? Oh, yeah. Yeah, but you can't. Then it's smart.
Does that look good though?
Huh?
What is it?
And
Doesn't it?
And you
And
can
the
do it on
pole.
the other side. If you want to.
Creativity just gets people, doesn't it? Creativity is funny. We say it, same on this side, yeah?
You probably think we're streaming or something.
We are streaming. That's exactly what we're doing.
You know what I mean though, live.
Go on then, save that and go live.